Hello class of young student. So today we are going to learn Lektion 3 from our book So geht das nun. Lumpi kann zählen. So Lumpi can count. So kann means can and zählen is to count. Now let's learn the numbers. Die Zahlen auf Deutsch, the numbers in German. So die Zahlen means the numbers. It is also called as die Nummer. D means the students. So let's count. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so the number names you have to by heart, students. Now till 12 you have to by heart. Now from 13 onwards you can make. Now see, 13 is nothing but 3 plus 10. Okay, like in Marathi language also we say this tera. Okay, so the 3 comes first. Always remember, in German the last digit comes first. 3 plus 10. Okay, so the word for 3 is, I will just erase this and I will note down it here. Yes, so the word for 3 is dry and the word for 10 is zehn. So the word becomes 13. Same is for 14, 15. Just the exception is for 16 and 17 students. Okay. Now why this is exception? See here. See, 16 is nothing but 6 plus 10. Now if you will see, the spelling of 6 is Zex. But in the spelling of 16, we are removing this last wala S. Okay. Always remember. Same for 17, it is 7 plus 10. And if you will see the spelling of 7, it is Zeben. And here, it is Zeebsen. So we are removing this last wala En. So always remember, the spelling of 16 and 17 is different. So you can also make a star here in your book for 16 and 17 spelling. The rest is same, and 20 is called Swansish. Swy becomes Swan and Sish. It becomes Swansish. Okay. So always remember, the last digit comes first. So 15 becomes 5 plus 10. Okay. So the numbers are quite easy, students. So this number names you have to by heart from 0 to 20. Now let's solve some exercise. Let's have some fun with the numbers. Match the picture with the correct digit. So let's match. Yes. Now eins. One car. So eins. Now zwei. Zwei Schiffe. Just match it like this with the photo. Count the pictures and match it. Okay. You can do this easily, students. Now one number poems they have given. Okay, I am reading this poem for you. Eins, zwei, hast du frei? Drei, vier, komm doch her. Fünf, sechs, da kommt ein Hex. Sieben, acht, ich habe Frucht. Neun, zehn, nach Hause gehen. Okay, if you will learn this poem, it will be very easy to learn the numbers. Okay. Now, let's ask Erish. What we are asking? First question. Wie viele Bleistifte hast du? How many pencils do you have? So students, this. Wie viele means how many. Okay. And Bleistift means pencils. So how many pencils he is having? Ich habe 3 Bleistifte. I have 3 pencils. Now Lumpy is asking to Mrs. Brown, Frau Brown, wie viele Bücher haben Sie? How many books do you have? Ich habe 10 Bücher. I have 10 books. Okay. Now, some more exercises with the Wiederholung. That is a repetition. Übung 1. Match the columns. Okay. So, you have to see the number given in balloon and you have to match it with the English word. For example, Swansish, that is 20. So, where is that? 20. Okay. 13, 13. 12, 12. 17, 17. And 10. Just a second. So 10 means 10. Okay. Like this you have to match. After solving this easy exercise, let's solve the one more easy exercise. Übung 2. Write the numbers which comes before and after the given number. For example, they have given 2. So before 2 comes 1, that is 1, and after 2 comes 3, 13. Then they have given 15. Before 15 come 14. So 14. I have just written the number, but you have to write the number name also. 15, after that comes 16. 19, before comes 18, and after come 20. 11. So before 11 come 10 and after come 12. 7, before come 6 and after come 8. Okay, so all these number names you have to write down here in the balloons in German. Now after solving this exercise, let's solve the Übung 3. Write the digits in 1 to 20 in German. All the spellings from 1 to 20 in German you have to write. I have written 1 for you, 1. Then 2, 3 till 20 you have to write down. Okay. Complete this exercise after watching this video and then you can solve this. Draw the objects to match the given number. See, here they have given number 14. So here you have to draw 14 roses. Okay. Then 8 means 8. 8 braids you have to draw here. Then 6. 6 cakes you have to draw. Funsen mushrooms, pilzer you have to draw here. Okay. And then you can color it also if you want. Now, let's solve the last exercise, students. Answer the following questions in German. Wie viele Freunde hast du? How many friends do you have? Ich habe 100 Freunde. Suppose I am having 100 friends, you can write 100. This you can write in numbers. Wie viele Bleistifte hast du? How many pencils do you have? So count your pencils and write down here. And the last one. Wie viele Bücher hast du? How many books do you have? Ich habe dash Bücher. So how many books you are having, that you have to write down here. So with this, students, we have completed our lesson 3. Okay. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, choose.